Old Black Fly by Jim Aylesworth. Old black fly's been buzzing around, buzzing around, buzzing around. Old black fly's been buzzing around, and he's had a very busy bad day. He ate on the crust of the apple pie, apple pie, apple pie. He bothered the baby and made her cry, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He coughed on the cookies with the chocolate bits, chocolate bits, chocolate bits. He drove the dog nearly out of his wits, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He frolicked on the eggs for the birthday cake, birthday cake, birthday cake. He licked up the frosting for goodness sake, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He danced on the edge of the garbage sack, garbage sack, garbage sack. He got sweet honey on his dirty back, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He hid in the ivy by the kitchen sink, kitchen sink, kitchen sink. He stole some jelly as quick as a wink, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He played on the keys by the kitchen door, kitchen door, kitchen door. He lit on the list for the grocery store, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He lapped up the milk in poor Kitty's bowl, poor Kitty's bowl, poor Kitty's bowl. He nibbled on the noodles in the casserole, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He crawled in the spills from the olive oil can, olive oil can, olive oil can. He pestered the parrot on her stand, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He snoozed on the quilt on Grandma's bed, Grandma's bed, Grandma's bed. He rode the red ribbon on her head, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He sniffed the salami that sister sliced, sister sliced, sister sliced. He ran around her teacup once or twice, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He slept on the stack of clean underwear, clean underwear, clean underwear. He played on the vase by the velvet chair, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He dozed on the window in the summer heat, summer heat, summer heat. He made a little X with his front feet, shoo, fly, shoo, fly, shoo. He buzzed about the yarn in Mama's lap, Mama's lap, Mama's lap. He landed on her table, flap, flip, flap, zzz, 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 zzz. Swat! Old black fly's done buzzing around, buzzing around, buzzing around. Old black fly's done buzzing around, and he won't be bad no more.